Hey everybody, today I've got the new KastKing water resistant digital fish scale. Just got it in, ordered it from Amazon. It was $25.99. First I'm going to tell you I don't work for KastKing, so I'm not trying to sell you this. I'm just going to unbox it. I'm going to tell you some features on it. We're going to go out and see if we can catch some fish and see if we can try it out. So hang with me to the end and we'll have some fish to weigh. So let's unbox this thing. Well, I can tell here, right here on the back's got the clip to hold the fish. It actually is in a clip, so I think it's in there good, I'll say that. Alright, that's what it looks like. It takes two AAA batteries. I see they've already got it in here. They got a little tab to pull out, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tab out. We'll see if it works. Alright, I pulled it out. And yeah, it come on. This is the one, if I hadn't already mentioned it, it'll weigh up to 110 pounds or 50 kilograms. It'll also says it'll hold like 9 weights, so if you're fishing and you want to keep track of what fish you've caught, in memory it'll keep a hold of 9. So tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get a suitcase and we're going to weigh a suitcase and see what it looks like, and then we'll go out to the pond, see if we can catch some fish, and we'll try it out. Alright, it's got 3 buttons. The middle one is your on and off button. This one right here closest to me is your memory. I probably said it holds 9, but it actually holds 10 positions, 0 through 9, so that's 10. And the one button right here is to change it from kilograms to pounds. So to turn it on, what you do is you press the middle button and hold it for 3 seconds. Alright, if you can see it's lit up. Now I'm going to weigh this suitcase. Like about 6.8 pounds when I got it holding it still. Alright, to turn it off, all you do is you hold the center button in for 3 seconds and turns it off. To set a memory, once you got your reading up here, you press the left button and it'll store it into memory. So let's go catch some fish and try it on fish. There he is. Oh, he's a little one. Alright, I've got my KastKing fish scale. Let me turn it on, hold it 3 seconds. There it is. Like 1 pound, 4 ounces. There it is. Yeah, that's a little bitty one. I don't even know if this one won't even weigh a pound. Let's try it and see. That one weighs 5 ounces. Well, it will weigh a little one, we'll know that. thing here probably don't weigh 3 ounces. I'll try it and see. First one of them I've caught in a long time. Weighs 3 ounces. He'll even weigh a little bitty one like that, so I know it works. Catching a lot of little ones down here. I ain't caught any of this little in a long time. Heck, that may not even be enough to weigh. Let's see if that thing will weigh. Yeah, it weighs the same as that. Now it weighs 1 ounce more. It weighs 4 ounces. Now if you want to save this, you just push the button right here and you can save up to 10 in your memory, so you can look back and see what you caught. That feels a little better. Like 1 pound, 2 ounces. 1 pound, 2 ounces. Well guys, I think I'm going to wrap this little video up. I apologize for not catching a few bigger ones. Check out some of my other fishing videos. I promise I do catch bigger fish, but I do think I caught enough fish of, you know, 1.5 pounds down to at least give you an idea how this thing works. Hey, I'm perfectly happy with it. If I failed to mention, this thing also has a tape measure on it. I think it's over 3 foot long. You can actually measure your fish if you want to, but hey, it worked real well. No more lying to you buddies. You know exactly what it weighs now. So hey, if this little video helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.